no one like you. Old girls in the dance like Michael. No.
Okay, I don't know how this video is gonna go because it is currently 11:47, Friday, March 13th. I look absolutely crazy. I had a long day, okay? Also, this isn't real. It's a fake piercing. I think I probably look so stupid with I look you want a nose piercing. But that's not the point of this video. I'm gonna fix my hair because I can't stand to look at myself in the mirror while I film. So I haven't posted a video in like 2 months. My insecurities jumped out. We're gonna have to cover that with some powder. So I haven't posted in like 2 months, I'm pretty sure. I haven't uploaded since January, and that was my baby think it over video. I just wanted to make a sit down video to talk about like where I've been, how life has been going for me, and also I'm obviously going to be talking about the coronavirus because that's all we hear in the media every single day. I am quite honestly so tired of hearing about this virus, but obviously it's going to be an everyday topic and discussion for the foreseeable future. My parents did not just put on music. It is only 12 o'clock. Why are they playing EDM music in our living room? So before I talk about the virus and just rant about that, what has been going on with me and why I haven't uploaded, honestly, there isn't really a reason as to why I haven't uploaded. I just haven't really been feeling super inspired. It's like I've been incredibly busy because I haven't. So I've been feeling super inspired. I am kind of in the process of filming another video that is going to take some time to put out. I'll just say it now. I saw the notification on my phone already, the TikTok notification. I've been making TikToks. If you find it, cool. I want to do like a making TikToks until I get famous, but I haven't been consistent with it and like posting a lot. That video has just been really slow. I've been working on it for like a month and I haven't really been taking any vlog clips. Basically the bottom line is like, is there a reason for me not posting? No, not really. I just haven't. And if you're still watching because of my misleading title, then thank you. I'm sorry. I will get to the coronavirus now. Okay, so as the coronavirus, how it is affecting me. Okay, so in the beginning, I honestly wasn't that worried about it. I kind of just brushed it off, like, you know, it's in China, it's fine, it's gonna go everywhere. But I'm not too worried about it. For those of you who don't know, I live in Louisiana. John Bel Edwards announced that we had our first potential coronavirus infectee, I don't know. And then obviously as time went on, we've had more. Yeah, that is a little scary. I was getting more worried. And then of course today, John Bel Edwards, who is our governor, announced that all public Louisiana schools are going to be on lockdown or closed K through 12 until April 13th. As of like this very moment, that's a month from now, which means basically we have 2 weeks off of school. I'm nervous now. Not necessarily about me getting it and becoming sick and dying. If I do get it, I will most likely be a carrier, which is still scary because I don't want to be a part of a chain reaction that ends up killing like a person or other people. And I don't normally talk about this kind of stuff on my channel. I mean, we never had a pandemic during my lifetime until now, until my 18th year of life. But it's just weird. It feels like a fever. It feels like a fever dream. It feels like a weird dream. I don't know what the word is, what the expression is. Like that this isn't real basically, but it very much is real. And I almost cried like 10 times today because I'm just sad because this is my senior year of high school and like this is not how I imagined it going in any capacity. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna predict like, oh, we're gonna have a pandemic my senior year. Overall, like we've just had bad luck like every year. There's been a lot of things that happened this year at my school. I feel like the class of 2020 for my city or my area just has bad luck or has like a curse because in 2016, our freshman year, we also had the flood, which I don't know if you guys know about because it wasn't like a nationally covered thing, I don't think, but there was like a devastating flood in 2016 that affected a lot of people. It luckily did not affect me or necessarily anybody close to us. I don't think like any of our family. It affected like other kids and displaced an entire high school that we had to share our high school with for half of the day. So we went to school from 7:30 to like 12:30 and they went to school from like 1 to like 5 in the afternoon or something like that. It was like we had early dismissal days every day basically. Like right now, prom is probably gonna be rescheduled to like May, and our last day for seniors is supposed to be May 6th, and so we don't even know what's gonna happen. It's just like the scary thing with this virus is that we don't know what's gonna happen, and I guess I'm frustrated and I'm scared. I am scared. I'm frustrated with how our government has handled this. I don't know if this is gonna get controversial, political, I don't know. It's just, I'm not gonna blame it on one person because it is like the government as a whole. I guess I'm just frustrated with how we could have contained this faster or earlier, but I'm not gonna get too much into that. I almost just started crying again. So that is just how I've been doing. I'm gonna take this out because it's kind of bothering me. I don't know. If you want to have a talk, a discussion in the comments, please do. I know a fair amount about the virus, but there might be things I don't know. Of course, I'm enjoying all the TikToks and the memes that are coming out. As for people who are like traveling and taking advantage of like the cheaper airfare and things like that, I thought the videos were funny at first, like haha, like I would be doing that too if I had the money. At the same time, I do think it's kind of irresponsible and kind of selfish to just like be traveling and potentially spreading it. I just feel kind of like defeated. Like senior year is ruined. Graduation, we obviously don't know what's gonna happen. That's in May, like mid-May. And then I was supposed to go on a senior trip with like 8 of my friends on a cruise to the Cayman Islands, Montego, I'm pretty sure it's Montego Bay in Jamaica, and Cozumel, Mexico, and I'm not going on it. I wanted to go to like concert. My mom and I bought tickets for the Halsey concert in Houston in July, and the weekend is having a concert in New Orleans in June, and I really wanted to go, and I don't know if it's even worth trying to get tickets now to the weekend because that might be canceled. I'm sure they'll give us a full refund, but still. Okay, so I guess I'll call that a day. I just needed to rant and get my feelings out. Just be safe, make smart decisions, wash your freaking hands. I watched a girl walk out of the bathroom without washing her hands the other day, and I wanted to like punch her. So yeah, just be safe, be careful. Even if you think people are overreacting about it, which I know a lot of people do feel that way, or they feel like, oh, this is not as bad as the flu, blah, 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 blah. At the end of the day, you need to take the necessary precautions for yourself. I mean, it's not like they're gonna cut off power, it's not like they're gonna cut off water, and we're gonna have the apocalypse. But like I said, better safe than sorry. If you're not a regular viewer, then please go watch my other content. It's a lot more entertaining and upbeat than this is. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.